I am going to show you how you can test if your SMTP server is working properly using the command prompt. Yes, very simple, very quick video. Let's get into it. If you want to be seeing my videos, hit the subscribe button and also like the video. So now let's quickly head straight to the video. Now all we have to do is you just have to open our command prompt. That's what we are going to use, right? So I'm going to quickly search. So CMD, right? Just click run as administrator. If you are not seeing that, just right click on it and click on run as administrator. Yes, and this is it, right? Now we are going to use a tool called Telnet, but before that we need to install that tool. Okay, if you have already installed that tool, just skip. Okay, go to the next chapter. Right, good. So I have some notes over here. So you are going to use this to test. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this command and I am going to, let me see if I can make this a little bigger. All right, so I've made the command prompt a little bigger, right? I'm just going to right click to paste it, then I'm going to press enter. All right, so as you can see, enabling features. So you should be seeing something like this that shows it is installing the Telnet client. So we are going to give it some few minutes for it to finish with the installation. All right, so as you can see, the operation completed successfully, right? The next thing is let's test if Telnet is working properly. So just type Telnet, okay, or just copy and paste it. So I'll leave this command, okay, under the description. Very simple, copy and paste, that's go, right? Enter, and you can see Microsoft Telnet. All right, so we are in Telnet. So I quickly went to the help section. That's what can help you to interact with the Telnet. So when I type quit, it is going to quit from the Telnet. All right, that's very nice. All right, so I'm just going to type CLS to clear the screen. All right, so now this is it. So now since we have quit from Telnet, we have to then use this command to test our SMTP. Right, now this is your MX record or your host name, right? So if you want to learn how to create an SMTP server, I have a video on my YouTube channel. Just check it out. Right, for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Hostinger's SMTP. I know it's automatically correct, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to replace this with SMTP's host name or Hostinger's SMTP host name, right? So I'm going to do a quick search here. So with this search, Hostinger SMTP settings, I have SMTP server here, and that's it. So I'm going to copy this. All right, so I'm just going to replace with smtp.yourdomain.com. I'm just going to replace it. So you are going to replace that with your host name or with your MX record. Get it? And leave everything default. Just copy everything here. Now go to the command prompt, right click here and press enter. So as you can see, this is the result you should see 220 ESMTP. That means it has connected to this SMTP. So if you are getting this, that means your SMTP server is working correctly. So that is how you can test if your SMTP is working or not. Now, if you are sending emails and it is not going through, the next video I'll show you how you can find errors in your SMTP and how to fix it. So subscribe. Thank you for liking this video. Leave a comment at the comment section. Those who want to learn how to create an SMTP server, I have a course on Udemy. Go and check it out. And I'll leave the link at the description. And also check my video right here on YouTube, which I taught you how you can use VPS to create your SMTP server.